Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is exciting episode of Unlocking Success. Today we have a fascinating topic to explore. We'll be diving into the reasons why silent people often become incredibly successful. Have you ever wondered how those who don't speak much manage to achieve greatness? Well, let's find out. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So, let's get started. One of the psychology theories that divided humans into two types of personality is based on how they get energy. One who get their energy from being on the outside and socializing is called an extrovert, while one who gets their energy from alone time is called an introvert. How does extroversion and introversion correlate with success? Some of the qualities of a successful person are often associated with an extroverted person, especially in a field which requires more public speaking and networking. However, some of the most successful and influential people in the world are introverts. There are a bunch of successful silent people such as Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and Albert Einstein. Here is the reason why silent people are successful. 1. They are good listeners. Silent people are successful without a shortcut. A person will not instantly become successful. It will take lot advice and improvement to finally succeed on the quest. To be able to receive advice well, one needs to be a good listener. This doesn't necessarily mean people who love to talk more are not a good listener. It is more because silent people often let others talk first, so they receive more feedback to help them succeed. 2. They are great planners. Silent people often need more time to process information in their heads. That is the reason why they do not talk much. With the ability to think things through, it makes them great planners. They would come up with several scenarios in their heads because they don't see a reason why a person should talk much unless it is necessary. To succeed in any field, one needs to create plans and execute them. This requires a lot of thinking, and it would not be done by talking only. 3. They choose their words carefully. If you want to be successful but are afraid of people judging you for being a quiet person, there is a great aspect of people who prefer silence. A good communicator is not exclusive to those who like to talk. Silence people tend to speak less than others, but once they do, it's granted that they have weighted their words carefully. Choosing the right words and emphasize the important message is more tactful to persuade a prospective business client. As a quiet person, you spend more time deciding what to say and what should not say. 4. They are very creative. Silent people prefer to spend more of their time within their heads instead of talking to people. During their alone time, they often generate ideas and link theories that resulted in creative work. Creativity is important to manage a business since customers often prefer variety. The reason why some silent people are successful is that they use that creativity to create and enhance their business. This type of people usually is the one who will surprise their peers with unconventional or innovative ideas. 5. They keep only the best people. Introverts are likely more selective in their social circle. They don't mind having only a few friends and confidants, but they know they can count on them. If you are an introvert, you prefer quality over quantity. Therefore, despite being a quiet person, networking is still possible. The difference of networking between silent people and the loud ones is the relationship is often pre-meditated. An introvert businessman knows who he should associate himself with. It helped to create both beneficial and meaningful relationships. 6. They are great observers. A situation where one person does the talking and the other just stays in the background means it is likely for the latter to notice their surroundings more. In a business, it is important to observe the targeted market by using cues. Silent people are successful since they are apt to their surroundings. They can see a pattern and use it for their next move. Being a good observer also serves as an advantage if you work in a field that requires a lot of strategies. 7. They can gain trust easily. While being a trusted person may not have something to do with how someone gets their energy, it is understandable that others think silent people are more trustworthy. Not talking all the time is also a sign of good self-control. They know that some things are better left unsaid, especially if it deals with confidential information. Take a look at a banker who probably knows the password of your saving book, or an intelligent agent who knows the undisclosed secret. People choose them for their ability to zip their mouth and not spill secrets all over the place. 8. They know their priorities. Think there are not any good qualities of silent people left? It's incredible how an attribute that's often seen as a weakness has a lot of positive sides. Silent people may not be the most fun at parties, but they know their priorities. Why some silent people are successful is that they know where they stand and they stick to their beliefs. For an example, a person who focuses on a food and beverage industry knows that this is their priorities, before expanding their business to an unrelated field. A consistent effort and right priorities are more likely to result in success. 9. They have good self-control. As stated before, silent people tend to have good self-control. Being self-aware and focusing on a single thing means they don't overindulge themselves in stuff that will not benefit them. With this quality, some silent people are successful because they know what they should do and what they should not do. They focus on their productivity instead of just pleasing people. 10. They are self-aware. Another reason why silent people are successful is they are aware of their ability and shortcomings. They know that every startup will not skyrocket in an instant. As a result, they are likely to follow a program to improve themselves and to fill the gap of their flaws with other qualities. Self-awareness is not to be mistaken with being self-conscious. Being self-aware means they know they lack something, but instead of whining about it, they seek a solution to make the best of their flaws. There you have it, folks. The reasons why silent people often become incredibly successful. From the power of observation and thoughtful reflection to effective communication and focused productivity, these traits contribute to their remarkable achievements. So, next time you encounter someone who prefers silence, remember that their success might just be the result of their intentional choices. That wraps up today's episode of Unlocking Success. I hope you found this exploration enlightening and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. As always, feel free to leave your comments and suggestions down below. Until next time, keep striving for greatness, and remember, success comes in all forms, even in silence. Take care. Thanks for watching.